Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your portfolio private on the Collectr app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and make your portfolio private on the Collectr app. Maybe you're sharing your URL, but you don't want them to see your personal collection. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Collectr app. Next, click on Portfolio on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, on the top-hand side where it says Portfolio, click on the name, and then you're going to see all your portfolios listed here. Click on the pencil icon next to the portfolio which you want to go ahead and make private, then toggle off where it says, should this portfolio be publicly visible? So we're going to turn that off. Click on Update. There you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make your portfolio private on the Collectr app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.